Again, elevates your outfit. You could really wear this for like a wedding if you're a guest or even if you're the bride. Like, how cute would this be? Hello, so today I thought I would show you guys some of my favorite Italo Jewelry pieces. Italo Jewelry is an affordable engagement and other jewelry company that I love so much. I have worked with them for the last 4 years, literally 4 years almost to the day, I think was the first time I started working with them. So they're a company that I truly stand by. So thank you so much to Italo Jewelry for sponsoring this video. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I do tons of videos just like this, and let's get into it. So Italo is having a spring sale right now. So it's going on through April 10th, and there's so many styles you can choose from and you can save a lot of money during the sale, so definitely go check them out. The best part about Italo is that they ship worldwide and you get free shipping worldwide. You get a 60-day return policy and you also get a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens to your pieces, unless you like break them on purpose, they will replace them for you, which is amazing. They have an excellent customer service. So let's start with the ones that I'm wearing. These earrings, they're called the classic round cut hoop earrings. What I love about these is that they can elevate your outfit or they can tone it down a notch. Like, look, I'm wearing like literally like a v-neck t-shirt. They can elevate my outfit, or I could wear them casual, you know what I mean? So I could literally like throw on some heels, put on some jeans, put on some heels, and the earrings elevate my outfit. They're so shiny and they're still in very good condition. So these are actually 2 years old almost to the day. They look new, you know, there's not a single stone missing. All the pieces from Italo, what they specialize in is white sapphire or a colored sapphire. These are one of my favorite earrings that I have from Italo. These are my absolute favorite. I wear them so often. Right now these are on sale for $96.99. I have it in the description. If you're interested in any of these products, they will all be linked. And you can use my code for an additional percentage off. Again, very, very affordable. Like I said, $96.99, under $100. They look like real diamonds. They elevate your outfit for sure. This necklace is the 4mm round cut tennis necklace. This is actually on sale right now for $108. I love this necklace. I love a good tennis necklace. Again, elevates your outfit. Wouldn't necessarily wear this with a v-neck, but I just decided to wear it for this video so you guys could see. But I absolutely love this. And then it goes with this tennis bracelet. This is the multi-row tennis bracelet, and this is also in sterling silver with the white sapphire. This is $130. Again, elevates your outfit. You could really wear this for like a wedding if you're a guest or even if you're the bride. Like, how cute would this be? Italo just specializes in fancy jewelry for an affordable price. This is the clasp for the bracelet. You just kind of like pull it open. It's actually very easy to put on, but it's not too easy, like it just slips off. No, I have a hard time putting on bracelets myself, so I appreciate it closing like that. And the necklace has a very similar closure. Let me see if I can find it right here. So sparkly, right? Really elevates your outfit. Now let's talk about this wedding band. This is the Eternity Bezel Set blue and white wedding band. So pretty, right? So if you want a really unique wedding band, this is it for you. I absolutely love the contrast between the white and the blue, and I love the design of it. I actually love wearing all of these together. It just elevates my outfit like a lot. Okay, this is my favorite on the daily ring. Like, I wear this almost every single day. It's my most worn piece from Italo for sure. This is the rose gold braid design wedding band. Now, to me, this doesn't really scream wedding band, but you do you. If you like this kind of style, I love it. I could wear it on my middle finger. This one runs for $120. It's actually 18 karat rose gold plated sterling silver, and it just looks so stunning. Another one of my most used pieces is this rose gold double hidden halo cushion champagne engagement ring. This was, I think, the first one they ever sent to me. So this is 4 years old and it still looks brand new. Again, one of my most used. I absolutely love how it looks on me. I literally wear this. I mean, to me, it's not an engagement ring. I love the stones on the side. If this is like a style that you like in an engagement ring, it's perfect for you. My hands are really, really small, but it doesn't look like too big for my hands at all. That one retails for $118. This is the Italo 3-stone created white sapphire engagement ring. This is $108. Just compare. You cannot tell that those are not real diamonds, so you don't have to spend an arm and a leg on an engagement ring. There are side stones and they're round, and I absolutely love them. I would not trade my rings for the world. They mean a lot to me, of course, but this is super stunning and I love the stones on the side. It doesn't look too big on my small hand. I believe this is also one of the first rings they sent over to me too. None of the stones are missing or broken or anything. They look like they're in pristine condition. They look like they're brand new, and I wear these often. It's not like I don't wear them at all. I literally wear them all the time. Okay, so next I have a really unique looking one, and I love this one so much. This is the pink sapphire pear cut engagement ring. They call it an affordable promise ring as well. I think this would look super cute if you're like younger and you want to give your significant other something like a promise ring. I think that would work really, really nicely. It's so pretty. This one's a little bit big on me, so sometimes I wear it on my middle finger. I love wearing this with my pink outfits. I wore this for my birthday last year. Love the pink color, and I love the pear cut. I didn't think I would love it so much, and I also love the round stones all around. The style is just so unique and pretty. This is $142. Here's another really unique one. This is the Eternity Cushion Cut Wedding Band. So this is an eternity band. It's got 3 rows. The middle row is like the thick one. Look at how pretty this is. It looks super fancy. It does not look too big on my hands. Actually, it matches my tennis bracelet so nicely. Everything I'm wearing right now matches so well. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. I thought when I first got it, I was like, this is so big for my hand. I thought this would bother me. My fingers would be like getting caught here, and they're not. It's so pretty. Really stunning. If this is your style, highly recommend it because it's $116 right now. Let's do another matching set. So here I have, this one's so pretty. This is the oval cut engagement ring. So it's got a split shank on the side, if you guys can see that. And I paired that with this chevron wedding band. I love this combo so much. I think it's super unique, and again, if you're in the market for an engagement wedding ring set, honestly super affordable. So the wedding band is $110, and then the engagement ring is $108. So for a little over $200 you get a set, man, and they look so good. They look like diamonds. They look so real, but both white sapphire and sterling silver. Super pretty. Love the unique split shank, and honestly, these look like they are brand new, and I've had these for quite a while. I love the way they look together. Look, they match. They make like the perfect pair. And I have another set I want to talk about. This is the classic garnet cushion cut engagement ring for $138. Look at how gorgeous this cushion cut is. I love a good cushion cut. Love the garnet. Garnet is my birthstone, so it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. This goes with this wedding bands. I actually don't like wearing them together. I wear them like this, and I think they look really, really pretty, and they complement each other so nicely, and it's not too much on both fingers. This is the Eternity split prong wedding band for $132. I absolutely love the hint of garnet that you get under there. That's why I think they go so well together. Like, look, you can wear them together. They look nice. Oh, I forgot to mention these stones under. Aren't they so freaking pretty? Such a unique engagement ring, but I love this wedding band as well. If you like garnet, this is definitely for you. They go with my garnet earrings. Oh my gosh, I love my garnet earrings so much. These are the garnet halo round cut stud earrings. They like match any outfit, and they look really, really pretty. I love the garnet. Great quality. By the way, I have really, really sensitive ears, and none of these earrings irritate me at all. Anyway, those are all the pieces I'm going to show you today. Like I said, you definitely want to shop their anniversary sale. They actually have a 10% off any order, or 50% off buy one get one, but you can also use my code for an additional percentage off. I'm not sure exactly how much it's going to be. I'll have it up on the screen in the description so you guys can check out these pieces. I'll have them all linked individually in case you're interested in one piece or another. Like I said, I absolutely love the quality of these pieces. They have not lost any stones, lost their coloring. They still look pristine. They still look brand new. So I absolutely stand by this company. So I highly recommend browsing their site if you're looking for something in particular, and you're definitely going to find what you're looking for. Thank you so much to Italo for sponsoring this video. Let me know which piece is your favorite. Like I said, most used, most worn, most used earrings. Absolutely love them. I love this cushion cut rose gold. I don't know why. This is like one of my favorites for sure. Love those pieces so much. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Sterling silver. It's also made of which I absolutely love. As I love all their pieces. I'm gonna stop saying I love it, but I absolutely love this. I'm gonna stop saying I absolutely love it. I'm sorry, I sound like a broken record, but